Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's episode I'm going to share with you is one of the Indian curries. I know you come across lots of Indian curries which you call them curries. But this is actually this is named as curry. It is made up from yogurt and very simple to make and it's very yummy. So let's try it. For making yogurt curry, I've taken mustard oil in a pan, and it's a deep pan, and we have to wait until our mustard oil heats properly. Until my oil is heating, we'll just prepare our yogurt. I've taken approximately 2 cups of yogurt. I'm adding some chickpea flour into it, and we'll just mix it until it becomes a smooth textured paste and we get rid of all the lumps of chickpeas from it. In the meantime, my oil is ready and I've already cooled it down after heating it up, and I've just started adding some fenugreek seeds and some cumin seeds, followed by ginger, garlic and chili paste. Just cool down the mustard oil before adding all these ingredients after heating it up, otherwise they can burn. And we'll add onions. We won't cook onions too much for this. We'll just saute it a little bit. Until they become translucent. And now we'll add Tumeric powder, salt to taste, some Carom seeds, some Garam Masala, and some fenugreek leaves, which are dried ones, and give it a stir again. And now we will add that yogurt and chickpea mixture to it, and also add approximately 1 liter of water, but if you think it is less you can also add some water a little bit later. But make sure when it is cooking, don't add too much of water, because when it boils it can come out of the pan. So approximately 1/3 of the pan should be filled, because when we add chickpea flour it swells after boiling, so be mindful of that. We'll keep on stirring and we wait until it boils on full flame. You can see on full flame it has nicely boiling at the moment, and there is a kind of froth on top of it. So we have to boil it on full flame until this first boil comes, and then we will continue cooking it for another 45 minutes to 1 hour until we see that this froth on top of it has gone, which has to be cooked on very low flame. So now I have lowered the flame, as you can see. And now we will start preparing our bhaji or pakoras. I've taken some potatoes, diced potatoes, some onions, some ginger garlic paste, and some chickpea flour. Also make sure you keep on stirring curry in the meantime so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. We'll add some fenugreek leaves, some cumin seeds, some carom seeds, some garam masala, red chili powder, salt to taste, and some dry mango powder. We'll slowly add some water to it, but if you think that it is not thick enough, you can also add some chickpea flour. As you can see, I'm adding a couple of more spoons to get that thickness of the batter. In the meantime, my mustard oil is heating in the pan to get that, to fry that fritters or pakoras or bhaji, and we'll cook it until they are golden brown from both the sides, and we will just take them out on a paper towel to absorb extra oil. You can see our curry has boiled for approximately 45 minutes, and I'm adding some crushed black pepper, and you can also noticing that the froth has almost gone. Now we will prepare a tempering. I've taken some oil in a small pan, and I've added some whole red chilies and some mustard seeds. Wait until it sputters, and I've also added some curry leaves, and be careful and cover it instantly when you add this to the pan of curry, and take out the little pan and then cover it for another 10-15 minutes to get out all the flavors. My curry is ready, and I'm adding my bhaji or my pakoras or fritters into our curry. You can see it's very nicely colored, and also I haven't added any extra sourness to the curry because my yogurt was very sour, but you can also add some tamarind concentrate to or citric acid to get that sourness as well. So my curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with the rice or the rotis or parathas which I showed you in the last video. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you for watching this episode and giving all the love and support you have been giving me. You can ask any questions if you have any in regards to my recipes in the comment box. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.